Hello, everybody, and welcome back again to my channel of Making Moves. Today I have for you are two winner chicken dinner tickets, which are number 61 and 60 with a top prize of $20,000. Then I have the ticket of a $2 ticket of $100 in a flash. And that is ticket number 68, as you can see. And then I have a $5 ticket here called Money Bag from the North Carolina Education Lottery. And as you can see, the ticket is on number 43. So what we're going to do today is go ahead and start. What we're going to do is start out with $100 in a flash, $100 in a flash. Now, again, the top prize of this ticket is $20,000. Now, the way to win on this ticket is to match the winning numbers with your numbers and you win. Or if you can match a money bag symbol, you win that prize instantly. But if you can match the $100 symbol, you win $100 instantly. And of course, I have my lucky North Carolina Education Lottery scratch coin. So what we're going to do is go ahead and begin and see if we can get us a win. All right. Now, our winning numbers are 24 and 15. 24 and 15. We got 26, kind of close. 29. Number 1, 19. Number 9, 16. Number 10, 22. 28. And number 14, a neighboring number, but not the one that we want. We want the exact number. So right now, this ticket does not have a win for us. So we can say no $20,000. No $20,000 on this one. Now we have another ticket here. Matter of fact, we'll start at 60. Winner chicken dinner. The way to win on this ticket, again, also is to match your winning numbers with your numbers, and you win that prize. If you reveal an egg symbol with a dollar sign inside of it, you win instantly, that prize instantly. But if you reveal the chicken symbol right here, you get all 10 prizes. Sounds exciting. And here we go. This ticket top prize is $20,000. $20,000. Let's see if we can get us a win. And please, while you're playing the game, playing the lottery, please make sure that you're 18 or over. 18 or over. Now, the winning numbers are 1 and 29. So far, we got 17. Number 9. 21. 20. Please make sure you also like and subscribe, even comment if you need, to my channel. Number 2. Got number 7. Number 8. 26. 30. And number 6. So we don't have a winner on this ticket either. And again, please make sure you like and subscribe. All right, let's see what we got here. Winning numbers are 11 and 8. Let's see if we have any of those numbers. We got 27. We got number 8. That's what I'm talking about. 15. 30. Got another number 8. We got 2 8s. 25. Number 5. Number 10. Number 6. And 17. Okay, let's see what our winning numbers are. We got $2. Ta-da. Then we have another number two, another $2. So we got a total of $4 on that. That's what I'm talking about. Get us a good little win. And that was ticket 61, in case you didn't see. 61. All right. Last but not least, we have the money bag ticket. Money bag ticket. The top prize on this ticket is $100,000. Now, the way to win on this ticket, of course, you can get the bonus symbol and win $100 automatically. Or if you look right here, match your numbers, the winning numbers to your numbers, win that prize instantly. Or if you scratch off a money bag symbol, you win 2 times that prize. You scratch off the $100 symbol and you win $100 instantly. So let's go ahead and begin. Let's see what the bonus is. Let's see here. A piggy bank. All right, let's see what our winning numbers are. 28. Can't wait. 17 and 12 and 12. Excuse me. And also number 3. Also number 3. All right, here we go. Let's get started. 18. 14. 22. 13. Number 5. Number 2. Number 9. Number 8. Lucky number 8, we would say, for my last ticket. 23. Number 7. 24. And number 6. Let's double check. 28, 17, 12, and 3. Okay, well, that's it. Thank you all for tuning in to watch my channel, Making Moves. And also, again, please make sure that you like and subscribe and share. Also, share this to anyone that likes to watch lottery tickets being scratched. All right. Well, anyway, we did get us a winner of $4. All right, everyone, have a great rest of your day and continue to make some moves.